Hi there, it's Lorena from Learn to Flourish, and I just wanted to pop in today and give you guys some really exciting tips on how you can be using video right now, today, in and for your business or within your organization, or even personally to communicate with friends and family. And I'm using a tool today called LOOM Video, and I specifically chose LOOM Video because I wanted to share with you just how easy this type of video is. Loom Video is a tool that allows you to record video from your webcam, essentially like I'm doing right now of you talking. And it also allows you to record video of your screen, so screencast style videos. So if you haven't already seen our videos and our article, our blog post about creating great demonstration videos, you can go back and have a look at that and see what I mean by screencast style videos. But today I wanted to share with you how you can use a tool like this and start communicating in an effective way right now today. Loom is so easy to use. It's currently a free tool. I don't know if it's going to be free forever. I don't think so. But right now it is absolutely free. It's a Chrome add-on. All you do is click the little Loom button, hit start recording, and away you go. You start talking or sharing your screen and talking at the same time. And one of the wonderful things about Loom Video is that as soon as you're finished recording, your file is saved into their cloud and you immediately get a URL, a link that you can share in an email or in Messenger or even on your social media to get your message out. So it is so easy, essentially one step and you are done. It's fantastic. So what are some of the cool ways and probably surprising ways that people are using Loom Video? And so there's a lot. So one is to follow up with potential clients. So if you have just had a great meeting with a potential client or you've been at a networking event and you want to remind them about who you are and how excited you are about the idea of working with them, send them a video instead of an email to follow up. It is so much more effective and it gives them that know, like, and trust factor when they see your face again and they'll be like, oh yes, I remember that person from the meetup we were at. So it only takes, 30 seconds to a minute to send them a quick video message instead of typing it up in an email. Just a fun way of doing things. Another way is to welcome new customers. So if someone has just joined your membership site or signed up for a course that you're offering, why not send them a very quick video message that's personalized? Again, only takes a few seconds, and it really shows that you value their business and that you care about them, welcoming them into your community. So that's another tip. Another great way is within any type of organization for knowledge sharing. And this is fantastic whether you are a small business, a not-for-profit, or even a large corporation. You should be sharing your knowledge and capturing your knowledge within your organization using video. Think about policies, internal policies and procedures and how people do things. What if the person in your organization who always uses the CRM module, what if they go out sick for a month and nobody else knows how to do the work? Get them to document what they're doing using a video, using something like a free tool like Loom Video. You can do this for any of your little procedures and policies and how-tos. I mean, you could even record someone fixing the photocopier. But I highly recommend it for anything that, perhaps there's high turnover in a position, or if it's a really complex process. This is a great starting point. It doesn't need to be your official documentation, but what a great place to start. Get the person who does the job to record the video so that you can keep that knowledge in-house. Okay? Another way that we use it here at Learn to Flourish is with team communications as well as feedback. So communications, what a great opportunity. If you have a workforce, if you work with a team where everyone is working virtually, you're not in the same location, or think about it, if you are the leader of an organization, the CEO of a large organization, and you don't have the opportunity to in person, meet and greet your employees every day, what a nice thing. Send them a message on Monday talking about what the goals of the week are, giving them, a little bit of a boost and motivation for the week and getting the team on board together. Another thing is with team feedback or with review feedback. So this is something that we do a lot at Learn to Flourish because we create learning deliverables and videos for our clients. So I will often give team members feedback, use it by screen sharing and documenting by video where my feedback is, where I would like to see adjustments in the deliverables. And let me tell you, it saves me so much time. For me to type out the same information and create screenshots and written feedback takes an enormous amount of time, where I can record a video sharing my screen in a fraction of the time and give them the same information. And then the team member who gets the feedback can review that as many times as they need to make sure that they understand and capture whatever the changes are that need to be made. So another great way to use video is to do kind of an initial draft recording of something that you're going to share with another professional to create the real thing. So for example, a draft of a video that could potentially be used by your professional video editor to create a more professional video. Or if you work with a copywriter and you want to convey information to them about, what the topic of the week is, what you're thinking, video is a great way to share that brand message and what you want to cover, and then have the professional that you're working with watch the video and to be able to capture the information. So that's, those are some of my favorite ways of using video. Loom Video is an amazing tool. Use it for your team communications, feedback, customer messages, reaching out to your customers in an engaging way instead of just typing up messages. And it is really fun and easy to use. So for fun, go ahead, install Loom Video right now on your computer and record a video and say hi to a friend that you haven't talked to in a long time. That is super fun. A friend that you haven't seen for a long time, for them to get a video message of you in their inbox or in Messenger is just such a treat. So go ahead, do it today. Let me know if you start using video, user-generated video created by you, and how that goes for you.